didn't see you there. Here to catch some leaves? Well, lucky for you, today we're going to be meeting some of the world's leaf catching specialists. Come on!
I've got him, mate, as a prime leafy specimen. I'm taking the shot. Now, time to make like a tree and get out of here.
And that's version 1. Let's go meet the second specialist. Come on. Now, if you live in a more urban environment, don't you worry. I got a special method right over here.
Who needs speed? Technique. And sheer determination to catch these hill buggers. And here you have it.